ABS wheel speed sensors are critical components in your car's anti-lock braking system. Located near each wheel, they measure the wheel's rotational speed and send this data to the ABS module. This module uses the information to prevent wheel lockup during braking, improving safety and control, especially in slippery conditions. Modern vehicles use Hall effect sensors, known for their reliability and resistance to interference. These sensors detect wheel speed through magnetic field changes, providing accurate data for the braking system. Several symptoms can indicate a bad ABS wheel speed sensor. The most common is the ABS warning light illuminating on your dashboard. You might also experience erratic ABS activation, such as vibrations or a pulsing pedal, even during normal braking. Inaccurate speedometer readings or stability control warnings can also occur. In some cases, braking efficiency is reduced, leading to longer stopping distances. Recognizing these symptoms helps identify ABS wheel speed sensor problems early. ABS wheel speed sensors can fail for various reasons. Physical damage from road debris, corrosion, or moisture are frequent culprits. Wiring faults, like frayed harnesses or poor connections, are also common, particularly in older vehicles. The sensors themselves can degrade over time due to wear or exposure to extreme temperatures, especially in electric and hybrid vehicles, where electromagnetic interference or heat from batteries can be factors. Begin troubleshooting by visually inspecting the sensor and its wiring. Look for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks in the tone ring or bent sensor components. Check the connectors for signs of corrosion or dirt buildup. Inspect the wiring harness for any frayed wires or damaged insulation. Also, check the sensor's air gap, the distance between the sensor and the wheel's tone ring. This gap should typically be between 0.5 and 1.5 millimeters. An incorrect air gap can prevent the sensor from accurately reading wheel speed. Use these visual checks as your first step in troubleshooting ABS sensor issues. To retrieve ABS fault codes, use an OBD2 scanner connected to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port under the dashboard. Power on the scanner and select ABS Diagnostics to access stored fault codes. The scanner will display any stored fault codes, such as C0035 for left front wheel speed sensor. These codes identify the malfunctioning sensor and provide details about the problem. Modern scanners offer AI-driven diagnostics for more precise identification of sensor issues. Now test the sensor's electrical properties using a multimeter. First, check the sensor's resistance, which typically ranges from 800 to 1400 ohms for Hall effect sensors. Next, measure the voltage output while manually spinning the wheel. A faulty sensor will show abnormal resistance or voltage readings. If readings are outside normal ranges, the sensor needs replacement. If the sensor is determined to be faulty, replace it with a new one, preferably an OEM part for best compatibility and performance. After replacement, some vehicles may require calibration via dealer software to ensure accurate readings. Wireless sensor modules are emerging, making replacement easier by eliminating the need to dismantle the wheel entirely. After replacing the ABS wheel speed sensor, the final step is to perform a road test and address any remaining issues. Step 5 of 8, road test and further troubleshooting. After replacing the sensor, perform a road test to verify that the ABS is functioning correctly. Focus on low speeds where ABS activation is more noticeable, such as gentle braking to feel for pulsing or vibrations. During the road test, monitor the dashboard. The ABS warning light should remain off, and the system should activate smoothly during braking. If the ABS warning light stays illuminated, or you experience ongoing issues like erratic braking or stability control warnings, the problem may not be the sensor itself. Issues could stem from the ABS module, wiring faults, brake fluid problems, or other components. Diagnostic tools might show persistent fault codes or abnormal waveforms. In such cases, professional diagnosis is essential. Mechanics can perform comprehensive tests on the ABS module and related components, potentially saving time and preventing further damage. They can check the entire ABS system, including the electronic control unit and hydraulic components, to identify the root cause.